it's Eugenia. So today I'm going to be doing a video that I'm really excited to do. And today I'm going to be trying the new Colourpop Baby Yoda palette. And yeah, I'm so excited to try this. When I heard this was a thing, I thought it was amazing because I'm like obsessed with Baby Yoda, guys. Like Baby Yoda, I think is like for sure the best Star Wars character ever. I think he's so adorable. I just love him so much. Like he is like the best. As you guys can probably even tell, I have a lot of Baby Yoda stuff kinda. I actually have a lot more than what you guys can see. I just got like the cutest new Baby Yoda ever. I might show him to you guys at the end of the video just because like he's really cute. Just wanted to have like some Baby Yoda around as I filmed today since this is like a Baby Yoda video. So right here, guys, I actually have the Baby Yoda palette. Well, it's called the child palette, I think, because you know, technically he's the child. I even put on my Baby Yoda shirt for this video, so yay. But anyways, yeah, so I'm super excited to try this. So originally when I found out about this palette, it was already sold out before I could try to buy one. But then I searched around for it because I really wanted to try it where it's like Baby Yoda and everything. And I ended up finding one from Mercari and I just ended up buying one there. But I think there's actually going to be a restock of this soon. Like I got an email from Colourpop that I think they're actually restocking this soon, which is awesome. I just got mine and mine is kind of just arriving in the mail and stuff, so I thought I would go ahead and make a video today trying it out. I'm super excited to try it, guys. So I guess oh, okay. Well, I'm so sad. There was a color called the Forest that looked so pretty. Totally not the fault of Colourpop or the seller at all. I guess it's a loose shade and it just totally fell out and went everywhere. But it looked like a really nice shade anyways, guys. So there's a bunch of green shades in this palette. There was a gold that looked really pretty before it kind of broke. And just some other colors that kind of go with the Baby Yoda theme. So yeah, okay, anyways, I'm gonna clean that up and then I guess I'll just try some of these other colors today. I'm a little sad about that, but besides that, it looks like a super awesome palette. And again, I totally do not think that that is the fault of Colourpop or the seller that sold me this at all. I guess just sometimes in the mail, those kind of things can happen. So maybe I'll end up buying a second palette and then that way I can have that color maybe. Okay guys, be right back. So I kind of just finished cleaning up. I'm a little bit sad about that color, but that's okay. The other colors in this palette look really nice looking at them too. So I can kind of try to show you guys the colors here. Some pieces kind of looked like they were kind of in chunks, so I kind of tried to put it back in the pan there. I'm trying to be very careful because literally if I point this down, then it's all gonna like explode out. So yeah, I don't know. That might have even been my fault for not maybe being like careful enough with like the shadow. I don't really know, or something with the mail, but it's okay. You know, the rest of the colors in here look really pretty too. I sadly probably will not try that color today since that happened and all, but that's okay. You guys can see the other colors here all look super cute. I love this little Baby Yoda here by the mirror. Hopefully you guys can see that. And then there's even a super cute little mirror to go with this, which I think is super adorable. I guess I'll just go ahead real quick and prime my eyes and then start testing these shadows and everything. Okay, so I guess to start, I'm gonna start with this shade called Baby Face and just kind of start applying that to my crease. And it looks like the color of Baby Yoda, so it looks super cute. Okay, so I think that that is a super, super cute color. It's a super, super pretty, cute green. So that's how that color looks on, guys. So now I dropped my mirror. Okay, at least that didn't break. I'm gonna like break everything today, guys. It's terrible. I would have been so sad if I broke that. All right, so next color that I'm gonna try, I think is like this darker green. This looks to be, I think, the darkest green in the palette. Sorry if any of this is kind of hard for you guys to see, by the way. I'm really trying not to break anything else, so yeah. But this shade is called Float Your Crib. I'm just gonna kind of blend that into my crease a bit too and just kind of darken things a bit. I really like the way that color looks too. And I think that's a really nice kind of like darker green. I think it goes really good with the lighter shade. I'm just gonna also blend out with Baby Face again, just kind of like blend that a little bit more on top and just like keep these both like blended together and everything. I think that next I'm gonna try this shade called Sipping Soup. It looks like a really pretty kind of like metallic-y looking green. And I feel like where that looks kind of like more of a metallic-y shade, it could work really good on your lid and stuff. So I think I'm gonna try that and see how that looks there. That is super pretty. That's like a super pretty metallic, like super shiny green. Seems like it has a little bit of gold in it too, so at least I get a little gold that way. I think I might just kind of use my finger too and just really get that on there. I think that's super pretty. I feel like that definitely looks really nice in the lid. I really like the kind of like sparkle effect it gives your eyes too and everything. And it seems to work really, really good with the other greens and everything too. I think just possibly to make this even a little more shiny, I'm gonna try this shade called Right Hand Mango, which looks like kind of like a silvery green. And just also apply that a little bit and just see how that one works. Okay. Oh wow, that is like really pretty. That one, guys, is like super shiny. I think I'm actually gonna use a bit more of that because I really like the way that's like looking and applying and stuff. So I really, really like how those shades work layered together. I feel like together they work super well. I love how like it gives you such a nice like shiny effect and everything. So now, guys, I think I'm just gonna kind of do underneath my eye. And underneath my eye, I think I'm gonna go back into Fauture Crib. Alright, so I feel like that worked really well there. And then I think to kind of just like blend that out, I'm gonna try a shade that I haven't tried yet called Little Frog. The names of these shades are also just so cute. Okay, wow, and I love the way that those colors blended out together. And I feel like all the greens here are really pretty greens. I also really love green eyeshadows, so I think it's super cool that Colourpop made this palette and that it's a lot of nice greens and just a lot of shades that fit Baby Yoda and stuff. So yeah. All right, so I think that next, guys, just kind of like in my inner corner, as a highlight shade, I'm gonna try this color called Precious Cargo and see how that works as like a highlight shade. It looks really pretty. Yeah, it definitely looks like the lightest shade in the palette and I feel like could work really good for that. So, okay, I'm gonna put that on now. Wow, and I think that that shade is also super pretty and super cute. I feel like when you apply it, it actually kind of looks a bit more gold, which I really, really love. I think it's a really pretty kind of like gold green shade and definitely gives you like a nice highlight and it's very shiny and pretty. So I really like that. I think I'm also just gonna use a little bit of that to also highlight like my brow bone area. I really like the way that these shadows are looking. I think they're really pretty. I think the greens are really nice. The kind of golden shades are really nice. And I really love how they look on and everything. So real quick, guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the eyeshadow on my other eye, probably off the camera. I'm just gonna do liner real quick and mascara and then come right back and show you guys how everything looks finished. Alright guys, so I just finished doing both eyes and doing eyeliner and doing everything like that. So that's how this finished eye look turned out. Alright guys, so I guess that was basically everything that I'm going to be trying today. And I really, really love this palette. I think that this palette is super, super adorable. I love the Baby Yoda on it so much. Like I think the packaging for this is so cute. I always think Colourpop makes super good makeup and always makes super cool products and everything. And also some really cute collections and stuff. So I thought it was super awesome they're releasing a Baby Yoda palette. Just for like, I love Baby Yoda so much. Or the child, like whatever we're gonna call him, because I think technically this is called the child palette. But yeah, I think it's super, super adorable. I think a lot of the shades are super pretty, and I think it's a super, super cute palette. And I think Colourpop made a super cute collection. And I was just super excited that there was like a new Baby Yoda palette, or I'm just like obsessed with him. I just really love him. I think he's so cute. So yeah, doesn't really exactly have anything to do with like the palette or like this makeup look really, but it does have to do with Baby Yoda. So I thought I'd also show you guys my newest Baby Yoda. So I still need to open him and everything. And once I open him, I think he'll actually even go to sleep and stuff, and he just looks so adorable. But look at him, look at the Baby Yoda. Look what happens. This is so cute. Oh. Oh my gosh, he's like using the force. He's literally like the cutest creature ever. I'm like obsessed with him. I can't wait to open him and for him to like sleep and stuff. I don't think he can do that from the box. He's the Hasbro animatronic Baby Yoda. He might be my favorite Baby Yoda of all the Baby Yodas that I have. I love all of them, of course. But he's just so cute. Look at him. I love him so much. Let me try to get him to just like make cute noises. I love him so much. He's literally like the cutest creature in the world. I thought where this is kind of like a Baby Yoda the child video, like related to that I'd also show you guys my newest Baby Yoda that I just think is so cute. So, alright guys, well thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys liked watching this video, then make sure you give it a like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more videos from me. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!